Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I wanted to share a recap with you. This is what I made on Ebony's channel when we were live on Thursday. We're working currently on our strawberry shortcake swap, and just wanted to come back and share some of the digitals because I'm using digital papers and stuff to work with my swaps. So this is what I did on Thursday. And I used a paper collection from Etsy. Let me pull it up. And this paper collection, it included 135 strawberry themed digital papers, seamless strawberry pattern, printable strawberry backgrounds. And this came as one PDF, and you got 135 varieties of backgrounds. And this is from the shop LAXURI Art on Etsy, ART. I will try to share at least the shop names in the description box below so that you guys are able to go check it out on Etsy. And I also purchased some SVGs or PDFs. They came as two options. You got it at SVG or a PDF. And what I did, I printed several of them. This one is, let me get the name of the shop. Okay, this one is Canva Thing, CANVATHING on Etsy. That's the name of the shop. And the name of this file that I purchased, it was $1.72. It is Vintage Strawberry Girl Cartoon Digital. You can make it into stickers, you know, whatever. But I'm using them just as, you know, ephemera pieces. And they look like the traditional strawberry shortcake. So this is what they came out like. This is just the pets. I printed on glitter cardstock that I got from Walmart. And I made sure I printed up multiple directions, like if it's left or right facing. I made sure I flipped the image, and I also cut it out twice. So at least I have a variety to play with when I start crafting. And I did print them on glitter. All of them are on glitter cardstock. So look at this one. And you got to make sure you play with your settings to kind of find the right setting so your image comes out correct or clear. Yeah, this is what I got. So many pieces, guys. So many. You had a variety to choose from. And so that's what they look like. They're all the vintage characters of Strawberry Shortcake back in the day. So you get the idea. There's so many to choose from. I try to get as many of them onto my design space as much as possible. I got to relearn some of the names because I don't remember all the names. But yeah, that's what I've got. And remember, I'll try to share everything in the description box below. But I also picked up different options. So background paper. I picked up from Cat's Curio Creations, CATSCURIO Creations, CREATIONS. And this kit, I don't have it printed out. It is called the Retro Strawberry Patchwork Junk Journal Pages. And you have gingham digital paper also included in there. Vintage Cottage Chic Pastel Pink and Green Spring. And Floral Tartan Ephemera. It's very vintagey. I got it for $2.83. And then I also picked up another kit from Cool Pixel Design, COOLPIXEL Design, DESIGN. And this one came with 60 retro strawberry cartoons from the 80s. And they're SVG or a PNG bundle. That one was $2.65. I also picked up a paper doll kit for Strawberry Shortcake, and this is from Strawberryville. That's the name of her shop. STRAWBERYVILLE. And hers was $3.15 because it is a paper doll kit. It's called Vintage Strawberry Shortcake Paper Dolls Printable PDF 4 sets. And yeah, I figured that would be cute to add into our projects. So those are all the shops. I'll try to remember to put those in the links in the description box below. But yeah, when you get them and download it, unzip it, and then load it into Cricut Design Space, you can manipulate the images. You know, you just have to play with your Cricut, and you can manipulate the images how you like them. So here I've got the Strawberry Shortcake and this little one. I don't remember who she is, but I gotta work on the names. I'm terrible with remembering names. I just know I like Strawberry Shortcake. So here, this is where I show you, I flip the image. So it's mirror, you know, so even if I went back and front, it should be pretty similar. Even this one here, I have that flipped in case I wanted to do something with that. It looks like this. And what else? What else? Oh, this little one. I don't remember her name either, but I printed her out twice and cut it out twice with the Cricut. And then the last thing I did, kind of messed up because I put these two images too close together on the Cricut Design Space. So it kind of cut into where it should be cut. You know, it's all funky. So I try to clean it up as much as I could. But I did create this. It says, thanks for swapping. And then this one is Strawberry Shortcake. And it's got the gang on there. So yeah, that's what I was doing with my digitals. Just trying to create some ephemera pieces for myself as far as using them in our projects. Because one of the requirements is to create a tag flip. And you have to have at least 4 with so many layers on them, and you're gonna have some goodies in the back. So use this pocket as a insert for where you want to put the goodies that you're going to swap with your swap partners. So you have to include sequin mix, some goodies on the back of the tags. It can be store-bought, it can be handmade, and yeah, there's also a dangle involved. So just to recap, I think I shared this before. This is some of the printed images I used from the sticker pack that I got from Wandy. But I did create some little charms with this particular sticker pack. That's what it looks like, some of them. Just a lot of cute images. Kind of hard to see on camera, but you really could see it better on in person. So I didn't even finish shrinking all of my plastics. But anyway, that's what I've done so far with Ebony. Guys, don't forget to check out the replay on Ebony's channel. I will leave all her links in the description box below. And be sure to check her out on Instagram because she also has an IG shop. So if you're looking for some particular things, she's the right girl for you. She makes these handmade rosettes. And this little acrylic piece is also from Ebony. This one's the more modern Strawberry Shortcake. So I gotta work on that project. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you're new here, welcome. Please hit the subscribe button and join the crafty family. And while you're there, hit the notification bell, and that will let you know when I load a new video like this or when I go live here on my channel. So thumbs up this video, and I will see you all on the next crafty video. Bye.